Hello, welcome again. We are solving some conventional questions of machine design. The topic is gear. Question number 24 from Engineering Services Mains 2023. A pair of spur gears with 20-degree full depth involute teeth consist of a 20 teeth pinion meshing with a 50 teeth gear. The pinion is mounted on a crankshaft of 50 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt engine running at 1200 rpm. The driven shaft is connected to a compressor. The pinion as well as gear is made of steel having ultimate strength on tension equal to 500 Newton per mm square. The module and face width of the gear are 4 mm and 44 mm. Assume service factor as 2 using the velocity factor to account for the dynamic load. Determine the factor of safety. Take Lewis form factor for 20 teeth equal to 0.30320 and for 50 teeth equal to 0.408. Take velocity factor CV is equal to 3 by 3 plus V, where V is the pitch line velocity in meter per second. So here the power is given as 5 kilowatt, but this 5 kilowatt power is not will not give the suitable factor of safety. So there is some mistake in this question. So taking this 5 kilowatt, taking the power as 550 kilowatt instead of 5 kilowatt. Okay. So power is here 50 kilowatt or 50,000 watt, and RPM is 1200 RPM. Number of teeth of pinion is 20. Module is 4 mm and face width is 44 mm. So we know that module is diameter of pinion divided by teeth on pinion. So diameter of pinion is 80 mm. And velocity is pi dm by 60. So D is 80 mm and RPM is 1200 RPM, or converting 80 mm into meter dividing it by 1000, so pi dn by 60. So V comes out as 5.024 meter per second. And CV is the formula for CV is given as 3 divided by 3 plus V. So V here we have calculated, so that is 5.024. So CV comes out as 0.3738. And YP Lewis form factor for pinion is 0.320, and service factor is given as 2. So power transmitted is WT into V divided by service factor. So WT comes out as 20,000 meters. Okay. So now this is the WT. Then we consider the transmission of power. When we consider the strength criteria, tangential load is given as ultimate strength divided by factor of safety into B into pi into M into YP into CV. So all these things are known except factor of safety. So factor of safety comes out as 4.4. If we take power as 5 kilowatt, then it is 44.2. So that is not feasible. So answer should be 1 to 10 for factor of safety. So factor of safety here is 4.42.